Greetings friends, today we are hatching some cute chicks in our Nature Right incubator. These chicks have been in the incubator for about 25 days and they just started to hatch. Usually you would set your incubator for 22 days and they usually would hatch around that time, but this year for some reason they've been hatching about 25 days, and I usually would keep them in the incubator for about 27 just to make sure there's no late hatchers. So these ones have hatched and I usually keep those in for about a day to let everyone dry off, and then I move them under the heat lamp where they have food and water available. And you can see everyone's eating fine, drinking, everyone's walking fine. So we've been blessed to have a nice little stock of cute little rainbow chicks. And I call these rainbow chicks because these are a bunch of different breeds, like the Rhode Island Reds and the Easter Eggers, the Olive Eggers, Plymouth Rocks, and a bunch of different other birds that produce these rainbow colored eggs, which I like to have. So just wanted to show you guys our cute little chicks and about the incubators. Thank you for watching. Peace.